Looking for a healthcare-ready specimen label printer for your mobile workstation or laboratory? If so, Zebra ZD411HC may be exactly what the doctor ordered. Hi, I'm Kelly Malone for Connection. Today, I'm joined by subject matter expert Jake Terry. So Jake, why don't you tell our audience a little bit about this printer?
Sure. So this is an all-in-one solution designed around the ZD411 for specimen tracking that will come with everything healthcare professionals need to get up and running quickly. It will come with a quick start guide attached to that printer, which contains information on how to set up, information on how to get in touch with a Zebra resource to help with setup, as well as warranty information. And then it will also come with a case of label rolls so you can get up and running with your specimen tracking use case.
Well, it sounds like the ZD411HC will deliver the features and flexibility that care workers need for years to come. So why don't we open up the box and see what we have? Jake, now that we've unboxed the ZD411, why don't you take us through what the user will find?
Sure. So the first thing you're going to see is the quick start guide. So this is going to contain all your information on how to get in touch with Zebra for your complimentary hour-long setup walkthrough. It also has information on warranties, as well as some additional information on things like ordering additional supplies once you run out. Moving on, we also have some additional user guides for the printer itself, as well as all the necessary cabling to get up and running. So this includes the USB communication cable, so you can connect the printer to a host device, as well as the healthcare compliant power supply. Then moving on to the star of the show, we have the ZD411. So this printer is designed specifically for healthcare. It comes with the disinfectant-ready UV-resistant plastics, as well as a sealed button interface. And all of this is really geared towards protecting the device from some of those harsh cleaners that you see used in a healthcare environment.
Okay, well, there you have it. Both easy to use and healthcare ready. Thank you so much, Jake, and thank you for watching. For more information on this and other Zebra printers, visit connection.com/Zebra.